this video we'll be solving the JA permutation, which means we have to swap these two corners and these two edges need to be swapped. Like the green one will be coming here and the orange will go here. So these two edges will get swapped and these two corners will be swapped. To solve this case, you have to follow this algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, F, L prime, U prime, L, U, L, F prime, L2, U, L, U.